Just in, my LED mask therapy facial tool. This one comes with 287 rolls full of light beads and a 180-degree light source, giving full coverage for your face, neck, hands, and even body. Total glow-up mode. Super simple to assemble. Some wires might be tucked in the hole, so just pull them out, connect, and you're ready to go. You get 7 colors: red, green, yellow, blue, cyan, purple, and white. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, 10 to 20 minutes each session. Easy. It's detachable, portable, safe, reusable, and honestly, perfect for skincare at home. A great gift for anyone who wants to feel confident, youthful, and glowing. Spa day on the couch? Yes, please.